You think you know your cat, but the males hide secrets that even lifelong owners rarely uncover. Beneath that calm purr lives a cocktail of hormones, instincts and quirks that science is only now decoding. From a brain that's wired for risk to a body that changes color with sunlight, these facts will make you see your little dude in an entirely new way. Stick around. Fact number 5 rewrites everything you thought you knew about feline loyalty. Fact number 1, the left-handed brain. Most male cats are southpaws. A University of Belfast study found over 70% of male cats favor their left paw, while females lean right. That single difference isn't random, it's linked to brain asymmetry and hormones. The left paw is controlled by the right hemisphere, the side that processes emotion and fear. This means your boy cat literally feels the world first and thinks second. It's why males often leap before they look, swat toys harder, and pick fights faster. Researchers comparing cortisol spikes discovered that left-pawed males recover from stress more slowly, hinting their emotional circuits stay on longer. Try a quick test. Place a treat just out of reach 10 times. Count which paw he uses. If it's mostly the left, you're living with an emotional adventurer whose every pounce is powered by instinct, not logic. And now, you'll never see his playful slap quite the same way again. Fact number 2, the hormone that makes him wander. If your male cat ever disappears for hours, blame testosterone's navigation effect. Studies from Oxford tracked neutered versus intact males with GPS collars. Unneutered cats roamed up to 3 miles a night, 5 times farther than females, guided by a scent mapping system amplified by testosterone. That hormone sharpens smell receptors and floods the hippocampus with dopamine, turning exploration itself into a reward. But there's a cost. Constant roaming raises accident and infection risk, one reason intact males live shorter lives. Once neutered, the dopamine feedback loop drops, shrinking their territory to a few houses. Yet, here's the twist. Some males keep phantom roaming dreams. Scientists recorded REM twitches matching hunting motions months after neutering. Their brains literally replay the adventures that hormones once fueled. So, when your relaxed Tom jerks his paw mid-nap, he might be chasing the ghost of his younger, wilder self. Fact number 3, the hidden voice frequency. You know that deep rumbling meow that sounds different from females? Acoustic engineers discovered male cats' vocal cords vibrate at slightly lower frequencies, averaging 220 Hz versus 260 in females. Evolution gave them this pitch to carry farther during mating season and to signal dominance. But here's what blew scientists away. Male cats can modulate their tone based on who they're talking to. In lab tests, males used higher, softer frequencies when calling familiar humans, and lower throaty ones toward rivals. It's a built-in social code, like switching from love song to war drum. Even neutered males retain the ability, they just use it for affection, instead of seduction. Pay attention to his morning meow. If it starts low and rises at the end, he's not demanding food, he's announcing loyalty. You're the chosen companion of a voice engineered for both conquest and comfort. Fact number 4, the orange coat mystery. Up to 80% of orange cats are male, and genetics explains why, but the consequences go far beyond color. The orange gene, or O, sits on the X chromosome. Males have only one X, so if they inherit O equals orange, it dominates completely. Females need 2 orange copies to match, making them rarer. What scientists recently found is that this same gene cluster influences dopamine receptors tied to sociability. That could explain why so many orange males behave like golden retrievers in cat form, outgoing, attention-hungry, borderline clownish. In 2022, French researchers analyzed owner surveys and confirmed orange males score highest for human-oriented friendliness. But there's a trade-off, that sociable wiring often pairs with higher stress sensitivity, leading to over-grooming or separation yowls when left alone too long. So when your ginger boy cries at the door, it's not manipulation, it's neurochemistry and bright fur. His warmth isn't just in color, it's coded in his DNA. Last fact, the silent protector instinct. Everyone says male cats aren't paternal, but new evidence says otherwise. Using motion cameras in multi-cat homes, University of Helsinki researchers caught neutered males performing what's now called protective shadowing. They follow kittens at a distance of 2 to 3 meters, positioning themselves between the young and any moving threat, even robotic vacuums. This isn't learned from mothers, it's a repurposed territorial drive. When testosterone drops after neutering, the aggression circuit rewires into what scientists label guarding curiosity. The same vigilance once meant to fight rivals now defends the family unit. Behaviorists report that households with a calm male show kittens exploring sooner and developing stronger social confidence. It turns out that behind the stoic stare is an instinct to watch over, not walk away. So if your male cat always seems to just happen to be near the kittens, he's not bored, he's on duty. Male cats aren't just tougher, they're neurologically different. Their brains, voices, and genes tell a story of evolution still unfolding in your living room. Which fact rewired what you thought you knew? Comment below, explore our Understanding Cats playlist, and subscribe for more feline revelations, straight from the lab to your couch.